Think about this for a second. I've been holding on to this one because this might be the smoking gun of the entire noodle factory. At the absolute foundation of reality, I think there are ultimately two possibilities: existence to any degree, or absolute non existence. And those words, to any degree, are extremely important. I'm not saying our universe had to exist. I'm not saying humans had to exist. I'm saying something, anything existing at all, is one side. And the other side? Absolute nothing. No universe, no space, no time, no energy, no laws, no God. Not even an empty void. Because a void would still be something. Absolute non-existence. Now here's the part that absolutely cooks my noodle. At the ultimate foundation, either side would have to be spontaneous. Regardless. Think about what I'm saying. Imagine absolute non-existence had been reality. Why would nothing exist? There couldn't be a reason. There couldn't be a cause. There couldn't be something before nothing that caused nothing to be nothing. Because then something would exist. So absolute non-existence would simply be. For absolutely no reason. Spontaneously. Now flip it. Existence to any degree also ultimately has to simply be. Because once you reach the absolute foundation, there can't be something before it causing it. Otherwise, that becomes the foundation. Do you see the paradox? Either way, something or nothing, the ultimate reality has nowhere else to get its explanation from. Whichever side is real is ultimately just there. And apparently, we just happen to find ourselves on the existence side. Something exists, we exist, so now the question changes. It's no longer just, how could something exist without being created? Because at the absolute level, I propose that either possibility would have been spontaneous regardless. The real question becomes, what is the something that ultimately just is? And this is where God makes sense to me. People ask, well, who created God? My answer, nobody. I believe God is the eternal foundation on the existence side of this paradox. God didn't suddenly appear from nothing. God didn't need something before him. God simply always was. And if you tell me that's impossible, something just can't exist for no reason, then I want you to explain the alternative. Because if absolute nothing were ultimate, nothing would also have no reason for being the case. Either way, you eventually hit something that cannot appeal to anything before it. So I believe the answer is God, the eternal, spontaneous foundation of existence itself. We could have been on the nothing side, where absolutely nothing spontaneously just wasn't. But we're not. We're here. Existence won the coin toss. If there ever was a coin toss, now that is the noodle I want you to cook. If ultimate reality has to bottom out somewhere, what do you think? Just is? Give me your best answer down below and follow for the next video.